This game is all about consistency, so focus on one market at a very specific time of the day from Monday to Friday consistently. Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a wonderful time. In today's video, we want to find out which trading session is the best for you, and we're gonna find out which market is the best for you to trade during that session. As traders, we need volume in the market, right? I mean, there's nothing more annoying than getting caught up in a consolidation. I mean, the market is just bouncing around, not really moving, and in most cases you get stopped out and lose the trade. Consolidation sucks, and we all know that, right? We need volume. We want to see that the market moves up or down. We can only make money if the market is moving. If it's stuck in one place, it gets really hard to be profitable. And that's why I'm making this video. I want to make sure that you trade the right market at the right time. Timing is very important. And the time when there's volume in the market, that's the right time, okay? So there are three sessions that are relevant for us. We have the Asian session, the London session, the New York session, right? And within these three sessions, we have 7 high volume periods where we can search for trading opportunities, okay? So every period got its specific pairs that are moving at that time. And these high volume times are very important for us as traders, because it doesn't make sense to trade when there is no volume, okay? So make sure to take notes. First session, the Asian session. One thing to notice is that Japan is the 3rd largest trading center in the world. So typically trading momentum will pick up during this session, but not as much as London or New York session, okay? The yen is the 3rd most traded currency in the world. Overall, about 21% of all Forex transactions take place during this session. Within the Asian session, we have high volume times from 6 p.m. Eastern time to 9 p.m. Eastern times. Please note that, from 6 p.m. Eastern time to 9 p.m. Eastern time. Please use Google to find out what time it is in your time zone. I'm talking about the Eastern Standard Time, the New York time, okay? So make sure to take notes and convert the time in your time zone, all right? So, which currencies should you trade during the Asian session? And the 3 main currencies are Japanese yen, Australian dollar, and the New Zealand dollar, okay? These are the 3 main currencies that are moving within that Asian session. And one thing is very important, guys. You only want to trade a pair that is influenced by just one currency at that session, okay? Because if you trade a pair that is influenced by both markets at the same time, then you need one market to be strong and the other to be weak to see that pair moving, okay? So it's better if the pair is only influenced by one market at that session, so it's moving much easier, and that's what we want, right? And the best markets to trade within the Asian session, who are just influenced by one market at the Asian session, are EURJPY, US dollar JPY, GBPJPY, CADJPY, Euro Australian dollar, and Euro New Zealand dollar. Those are the favorites for the Asian session. The second session is the London session, okay? Just when the Asian markets are closing, the Europeans are just starting their trading day. So London is considered the largest Forex capital of the world with thousands of businesses making transactions every minute, and about 30% of all Forex transactions happen during the London session. And yeah, high volume times within the London sessions are the pre-London session from 1 a.m. Eastern time until 2:30 a.m. Eastern time. And of course, the London Open from 3 a.m. Eastern time until 4:30 a.m. Eastern time, okay? And yeah, the 3 main currencies are the Euro, the Great British Pound, and the Swiss franc, okay? The Swiss franc. And the best markets to trade within the London sessions are the GBPJPY, GBPNZD, GBP Australian dollar, EURJPY, the German index, gold. Guys, you can trade gold during the London session. I mean, gold is kind of an all-rounder, and you can trade gold nearly in every session because, yeah, the whole world is buying and selling gold, right? And the third session is the New York session. This is my favorite session and the favorite session of many traders because this is where, yeah, most of the volume take place. And just like Asia and Europe, the US session has one major financial center that the markets keep their eyes on. And there will be countless opportunities for traders to benefit from this session. I mean, one thing to keep in mind during the New York session is that you will find the most liquidity and volume during the first couple of hours during this session because it overlaps with London, right? So, and we have the high volume times within the New York sessions. It's the pre-New York from 6 a.m. until 7:30 a.m. Eastern time. And then we have the New York Open from 8 a.m. Eastern time. Then we have the New York Stock Exchange Open at around 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. And the London close from 10 a.m. until 11 a.m. Eastern time. Note that, all right? So we have the 6 main currencies, which are US dollar, Canadian dollar, Great British Pound, Euro, Swiss franc, and gold, which are moving during the New York session, okay? And the best markets to trade within the New York session are GBPJPY, USDJPY, NZD, USD, AUD, USD, gold, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, SP 500. Those are the favorite markets for this session, okay? So now you know about the different sessions and the high volume times, and you know which markets to trade within those times. And so the next step is to implement this knowledge in your trading game, okay? Decide which session and what market is the best for you to trade, and then focus on trading only that market within that session, okay? Learn how this market moves within that session. Go through history of time and see how that market was moving within that session, okay? Backtest your strategy within that session on that specific market that you want to trade on, okay? Remember that one market is more than enough to make you a fortune, okay? This game is all about consistency, so focus on one market at a very specific time of the day from Monday to Friday consistently. All right, thank you for watching. See you in the next one, buddy. Take care. We talk soon. Peace.
Fly me to the moon.